Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and trying on several products I just received from DeWalt Footwear. I'm seeing a t-shirt, looks to be a long sleeve shirt, a couple hoodies, and even a pair of jeans, so let's get right to it. The first item is called the Jacksonville Graphic T-shirt, celebrating both Baltimore, Maryland, and the establishment of the DeWalt brand. The SKU number is DXWW50110. It comes in yellow, black, charcoal gray, light gray, and white, and it comes in a men's medium, which I have here, through XXL. I'm going to go ahead and try it on. So there is this nice graphic on the front, and established in 1924. There's also a graphic back here, as well as a guaranteed tough on the sleeve. There's also a DeWalt branded flag label on the side. It has a nice ribbed crew neck collar. The back of the collar has a nice reinforcement. It is 60% cotton and 40% polyester. And the care instructions say wash dark colors separately. The MSRP is $24.99 and it is available online now. Next up is the Utah Graphic T-shirt. This is also in celebration of the establishment of DeWalt. The SKU number is DXWW50115. It comes in yellow, black, charcoal gray, light gray, and white. It's also available in men's medium, which I have here, through XXL. There's a graphic print on the front, and I'm guessing this WW stands for Workwear. There's a guaranteed tough logo embroidered on the sleeve. There's a DeWalt branded label flag on the side. It also has a ribbed crew neck collar. There's also a DeWalt logo here at the nape of the neck. There's also this nice black accent stitching. It's 60% cotton and 40% polyester, and also machine washable, and it says to wash dark colors separately. The MSRP is $29.99, and here's one more look at this. Next is the DeWalt Grayling denim jeans in medium blue. The SKU number is DXWW50090. It comes in light blue, medium blue, and dark blue. I'm not even going to try these on because they're humongous. This is a 34-31, but they do range in even numbers from waist size 30 through 48, and inseam leg size is 31 and 33. They're made of 80% cotton for comfort, 19.5% nylon for durability, and 5% elastane for stretch. This is kind of neat. It's also worth noting, it does give a little bit of a history here on the inside pocket, and it says, born in 1923, DeWalt was founded by Raymond E. DeWalt, the inventor of the radial arm saw. I think it was called the Wonder something. But anyway, now synonymous with quality, the DeWalt brand has always been at the forefront of innovation. Okay, so here is a close-up look. Obviously, it has belt loops. There is a DeWalt logo right here on the pocket. There are 3 front pockets. 1, 2, 3. Tiny one there. As you can see, the closure has the DeWalt brand on it. And let's see, on the back, there are 2 full back pockets. There is a DeWalt logo there. And then there's also this little slit pocket here, which goes pretty deep. This would actually be perfect for stowing tools, or if you had something like a knife, that would also fit down in there as well. They're modeled after the previous DeWalt Madison style pant fit. The MSRP is $69.99. Next is the Logan heavy duty hoodie, featuring a water resistant treatment. For those of you that work outside, that would be wonderful. The SKU number for this is DXWW50075, and it comes in yellow, black, charcoal gray, light gray, and a 2-tone light and dark gray combination. Sizes range from men's medium through XXL. There's a DeWalt graphic right here on the front. The hem and cuffs are made of this nice ribbed material. And there are 2 internal pockets right here in the front. The hood is made of 3 pieces, which makes it nice for shape and comfort. There's also a nice drawstring cord for the hood. There's a DeWalt logo at the nape of the neck, which you're only gonna see when this hood is up. And here's a close look at what I meant by saying it was made of 3 pieces. The inside of the hood is lined. Everything's very nice quality. You can see that this is made of several pieces, which each time you do that, you're making it a nicer fit, but it's also justifies the price tag too. Here's that nice ribbing along the pockets as well. This hoodie is made of 60% cotton and 40% polyester, and it sells for $69.99. It's also machine washable. Okay, the last item is this quarter zip fleece sweatshirt. It can be worn as just a regular shirt or as outerwear. The SKU number is DXWW50010, and it comes in this nice light gray or in black. The sizes are the same as before, men's medium through XXL. The sweatshirt has almost a thin pinstripe look. I don't know if the camera is picking that up, but just the way it's woven, it has almost like a lighter gray and a darker gray. The inside of this has a really nice black fleece lining. This front zipper does come up real high to block out the wind and cold. And there's also this zipper here on the front chest that you can store items like keys. And it goes deep, it goes to the armpit. So there's that zipper. And I also want to point out each zipper on this jacket does have the DeWalt logo. There are also zippers here at the waist, on the right and the left, same thing. They've got this nice, there's actually like a cord with it, but this DeWalt logo here. And these pockets go nice and deep as well. And there's a DeWalt logo embroidered right here on the chest, as well as Guaranteed Tough embroidered here on the left sleeve. And the cuffs and the hem have a real nice stretchy binding. There's also a DeWalt flag here on the side. This jacket is machine washable, made of 100% polyester, and retails for $69.99. All of this merchandise is available now, and I'll include shopping links in the description of this video. Let me know if you have any questions that I didn't maybe cover, and make sure you're following me here so you don't miss future videos. I have more items arriving when they become available online, so I'll be doing a second video, and that one should include boots too, I believe. Also, I might do a giveaway soon on Instagram, so make sure you follow me on all of my social media platforms and keep an eye out for that. As always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care. I work hard for the money. My hair's gonna be so wrecked.